everybody? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. We're back at the shop, and today we're bringing you a custom built roof rack for a Jeep. Probably not your average everyday roof rack, but we're gonna show you the whole process of cutting out the plates on the CNC plasma I'm gonna be welding it up and cutting angles and the tube with this. So pretty much we're gonna run you through the whole process of making the roof rack. So it should be a pretty fun day. It's always fun to work in the shop. So we got pretty much our design loaded onto the K&N CNC programming here, which I didn't make this one, so I can't really show you too much on that as far as how to do it, but we will be doing more stuff later. So anyways, we got this all loaded up, everything's good. We get this all ready, and we're gonna go ahead and run this program. Alrighty guys, so where we're at, we have the plates cut out for the base of the, we have an extra one of those, but we have the plates cut out. We're cutting the outside edge rods right now, which I cut them a little bit long, and what we're gonna end up doing is 45ing all sides of these, so that way they fit together nicely. So we're gonna go ahead, we just adjusted the machine to a 45-degree angle, just pretty easy. Just loosen, rotate 45 degrees. Should be good. We're gonna measure about 4 times now. You know, measure twice, cut once, or whatever they say. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and yeah, get these prepped and cut and keep rolling. 45's cut. We got all our pieces cut, everything's good. We're gonna start, I'm gonna clean these ends off real quick, and then yeah, get them prepped for welding. Just gonna tag it up, build the squares pretty much, and yeah, should be good time. Pretty easy though, not too bad yet. So I just checked to make sure that we have good square, and we do. Welded, just tack welded these plates in, just 4 spots to hold them. Ends are still just tacked on. But yeah, so what we're gonna do now is they're 3/4 inch bars, square tubing, that are gonna run this way. So here you can kind of see the design here. So essentially there's gonna be a 3/4 bar, and then these plates on the ends, and then spaced out evenly throughout. So, and then until we get to the other side, do another plate and plate sandwiching a 3/4 bar. So we're gonna go ahead, we got 50 inches from side to side, so we're gonna cut probably a little bit on the heavy side, just to make sure. You can always grind away, you can't really add, and I don't want it to be loose or anything. So we're gonna get one of these unloaded and start chopping them up. So we got some DOM tubing for just straight tubing track bars, and I'll show you some other stuff that I was working on last night on the CNC plasma. So I got some cool stuff coming your way, guys. Just stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I am finishing this on my iPhone because yet again I forgot my camera, but hey, you know, it is what it is. I don't know if I can flip the camera while I'm, no, I guess I can't, but anyways, we finished up this roof rack here. So got some D-rings put on, pretty much everything's all wrapped up, ready to go. So, and we added this little feature down here. As you can see, it's just like, it's gonna be end up being like a little light bar mount pretty much, like a small one or something. So that's pretty much it. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought, you know, something cool that you guys could see that we do in the shop. So If you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 10K, so I just want to say thank you guys. I appreciate you all. And this thing's going off to powder coat, so yeah.